Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to create eye-catching text that gracefully bends along a curve, like you see in logos or dynamic social posts, today's tutorial is for you. In just a few easy steps, I'll show you exactly how to bend text along a custom path using Figma. By the end, you'll be able to add some serious flair to your designs, even if you're brand new to Figma or working with plugins. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up Figma and load the project where you want to add your curved text. If you don't have a project open yet, don't worry, just start a new one so you can experiment as we go along. Next up, we're going to access Figma's plugin library. Look towards the top menu and click on Actions. From there, select Plugins and Widgets. This is where we can find hundreds of extra tools that expand what Figma can do. In the search bar, type in Curved Text. There are quite a few text manipulation plugins out there, but Curved Text is one of the simplest and most effective for bending type along a path. Go ahead and open it. With the plugin open, you'll see a place to enter your text. For this example, I'm going to type international field, but feel free to use your own text if you have something specific in mind. The great thing here is you can instantly visualize how your chosen phrase will look once it's curved, so don't be afraid to experiment. Now, to create a full circle effect, maybe you want to make a badge, logo, or just something playful. Look for the setting that lets you control the text's arc. In the plugin, you'll see options to define the curve, and for a truly circular look, set it to full circle. Imagine you're wrapping a ribbon completely around a coin. That's the effect we're after. Visually, it's a super effective way to draw attention to your text. Here's a helpful tip: click auto spacing. This makes sure the letters are spaced evenly along the curve. Trust me, this makes your design look polished instead of amateurish. Sometimes when you curve text manually, the letters can get bunched up in weird spots, but auto spacing handles all of that for you. Once you're happy with how everything looks in the preview, go ahead and hit Create. The plugin will automatically generate your curved text and drop it right onto your canvas. Just like that, you've got beautifully arced type ready to use in your project. You can resize or reposition it as you wish, just like any other Figma shape. Now, quick heads up, if you want to customize the path or make really intricate adjustments, those advanced features are only available if you subscribe to the plugin's paid version. For most needs, though, like a basic curve or a full circle, you'll get great results with the free version. And that's all there is to it. Curving text in Figma is straightforward once you know where to find the right plugins and how to use them. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more advanced Figma tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.